Hello, my Cosmic Healing Tribe. Welcome to the Daily Astrology and Tarot Report for January 14th, 2021. So we have the moon in Aquarius today, and this is where the funky monkey in all of us wants to come out. Your individuality, the part of you that is cosmic, that is in this flesh and in this world, is ready to start shining. But hold on one second. We have the moon void all day until tomorrow morning at 5:28 a.m. So this is an incubation energy. This is where you're taking in and having conversations with yourself about what you've discovered about what your needs, your individuality is about, who and how you're going to be connecting to the world that's going to line up with those changes, with those sacrifices, with that growth that the new moon in Capricorn has mandated for you, wherever that's falling in your chart. So today, especially when we have the moon conjunct Mercury, so there is a lot of opportunity for very bonding conversations with people, with yourself, with the divine, with energies. Through the more you talk, the more that you're going to get, the more you're going to learn, the more you're going to heal, but more importantly, the more you're going to connect. And also with the sun conjunct Pluto, they're shining a light on where you've been connecting and where there's a communication in the underworld, in your subconscious, that is connected to your emotional being and being manifested in your expression of self with that sun energy. And then to top it off, we have Uranus going direct today. So Uranus, the higher level of Mercury, is now moving forward in Taurus, where it has been sitting since August, doing a review of what you value, how you value, what needs to change, what is outdated, what cannot go into your new system, into your new life. Now that's moving direct as well. So the moon is also connecting with Chiron. So underneath this void moon, there is an awareness of the internal pains and patterns that you are going to be embedding in your actions in the future with yourself and with that Aquarian energy, the people around you. So I have a couple things to say about this today. Really let yourself go slow. Let yourself take the time to process. Allow yourself to identify, especially with that moon conjunct Mercury and the sun conjunct Pluto, who or what or habits or things that you're attracted to today that aren't healthy for you. And it'll be very important to, in a way, let yourself go through energy withdrawal. Instead of going towards the people, places, things, or habits or perspectives that made you feel disconnected from your individuality and thus disconnected from authentic connection with other people. Now today you're going to say stop, and this is a day that's going to be really important to pick up those energy healing tools, those action healing tools that you've embedded in your new moon in Capricorn systems of like, okay, I'm not going to talk to this person, I'm going to go get this done. I'm going to go and I'm not going to sit here and talk to myself this way. I'm going to make a call with my spiritual advisor, with my therapist, with my doctor. I'm going to go spend time with people and places and things that are healing, that are progressive. So be really mindful about what or how you engage with things today, because it is that practice. Remember, the healing is in the practice. The card that we get today is oh so appropriate because it's the Emperor card. Come on. The universe, this is like the first of many tests of how are you going to show up to dominate your process? How are you going to be shaping your empire? Really taking that, and because I said energy with yourself first, and then with the rest of the world. So really practice that mindful redirect energy transmutation in your action and in your communications, and allow yourself to take the process. Today is a very karmic day, right? It is also the moon trine the North Node. So the more work you do with this hard part, nobody's saying it has to be complete, right? But the more you work to bring this growth into your emotional well-being, the more you work to align yourself with your higher vibration, with healthier patterns, with healthier people, the more the gods of destiny will go, we got you, babe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you tomorrow.